Today we're announcing Extreme E. Extreme E is a new racing format, a format that will take racing where it has never been before, to the most extreme places in the planet. We will race in the North Pole, we will race in the Himalayas, we will race in the desert, in some of the deepest jungles in the earth, in the Amazon, in a desert island. We want to highlight the big climate challenges that those ecosystems face, and also we want to show SUVs, electric SUVs, in the hardest environments and show that they work and that they can succeed there. That is Extreme E. The idea of Extreme E came around, we were brainstorming, a few of us, and Gilles de Ferran was there, and thinking that Formula E, it's a great concept, but it doesn't use cars that then the people in the street can go and buy. We thought there was a space for an electric competition that would showcase cars that then can be bought by the general public. And that was the original idea of Extreme E. Then came the amazing complement of taking it to these incredible environments, incredible locations, to showcase what's going on there. Some of them are really damaged by climate change, damaged by human pollution, and we want to highlight and raise awareness of those problems. Well, the team behind Extreme E, it's a mix of people. There is some people from racing, obviously from Formula E, like Gilles de Ferran, like myself. There is people from the environmental movement, like Fisher Stevens, the movie director, and like David Rothschild, the explorer. So we have a mix of people, but we think that we all have a common goal, which is to help protect the environment, highlight the challenges of the climate change, and also we love racing. Some of them. Fisher doesn't like racing that much. I love racing. Gilles loves racing. But it's a great combination, I think, of people with a common objective, which is to protect the environment. When we started thinking about Extreme E, there was one main challenge, and the challenge was logistics. How to bring all these cars around the world to those environments, and how to host the drivers, the mechanics, the engineers, in locations that have no infrastructure at all. And we thought the best idea was to find a ship. Also, using a ship reduces drastically the CO2 emissions of the transportation and of the logistics, and gives a house to the people in those extreme environments. We found it in the small island of Santa Elena in the South Atlantic. The Royal Mail ship Santa Elena was going to be decommissioned because they built an airport in that island, and we were able to get that amazing historic ship for this extreme venture. That will be the base of the championship, and it will be also a scientific hub with projects that will be developed from the ship, studying the situation of the oceans and many other challenges around the climate. So that ship becomes almost a symbol of the fight against climate change. It becomes, we wish, like the new Calypso. I think motorsport is going through a revolution. I think electrification and the change of the industry is going to affect all areas of motorsport. But I think Extreme E goes one step further. Extreme E takes motorsport to locations that are in danger, takes motorsport to locations that are damaged, and uses the tool of motorsport for something good, to try to promote and to try to initiate a change in people's minds and people's hearts, to motivate people to commit themselves to also protect the environment, protect nature in whichever way they can. So I think Extreme E takes motorsport to a whole new level. Well, we hope manufacturers and sponsors will be excited by a concept like Extreme E. Of course, we don't know at this point, like we didn't know in the beginning how they were going to react to Formula E. And it took a while for them, some reacted very quickly, some others took a while for them to react, but they joined us, and they've been an incredible help in Formula E. So I'm convinced that Extreme E will also enjoy great success with partners, with OEMs, with sponsors. Already we are seeing it with Continental, our first founding partner, and with CBM Niobium, our partner for this event. So that things are looking good.